Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm collaborating with my beautiful friend Mom from MomDas Life Handmade. And she came up with this awesome idea that's called Saw Your Stash. It's an open collaboration. If you want to participate, just talk to her and she will make a playlist and you can add your video and that will be so much fun. But I decided I want to make some pillow covers. And for that, I took some fabric from my stash. But first, before we talk about that, let's talk about my beautiful friend, Mom, from MomDas Life Handmade. She has this awesome channel where she makes DIYs, sewing projects, obviously. And also, she shows us some of her culture. She's from India and she's the mother of two beautiful and talented kids. She has a beautiful family and I just love her channel. If you're coming from her, hi and welcome to our family. Consider subscribing because you will love what you see here. And this is her channel. As you can see, she has a little bit of everything. She's awesome at DIYing and she participates in almost every challenge. And she has her own useful DIY challenge that's awesome. I just love this channel. This is one of my favorites. And over here we have the project that she will be making for this open collaboration. I just cannot wait to see it. Look at that shorts. For my pillows, what we're gonna use are 3 pieces of fabric. One is 19 by 19 inches. Another one is 10 inches by 19 inches and the other one is 12 inches by 19 inches. And we're gonna paint some lemons on our fabric using acrylic paint for that. So let's get started. First, we're gonna take our yellow paint and we're gonna start drawing or painting our lemons. And for that, I'm using just a simple brush and freehanding some lemons on my fabric. As you can see, acrylic paint is really nice because when you wash them, it won't come off the fabric. That's not good when your kids are painting with it. So just cover your surfaces and don't let your kids play around acrylic paint without something to cover the clothes. Yes, I have a lot of stained clothes in my house. Now I'm just painting some lemon slices around my lemons. And for that, we're making some circles with yellow. Now I'm gonna use the green, and I didn't wash my brush because I want some of that yellow to be in that green. Now you can see it's not the same shade of green on all of the leaves. I get some of that yellow and it makes them look beautiful. And now we're gonna take some white paint and we're gonna paint our lemon slices. Just like that, we paint our lemon slices. Like so. And that's it. Now we're gonna take our fabric and we're gonna start handwriting Farm Fresh. Because we're talking about farm fresh lemons over here. And we're gonna draw that letters Farm Fresh one by one. And after we finish that, we're gonna repeat the same pattern, lemon pattern, on the top part of our pillow. And as you can see, I'm finishing my M over here. And now I'm gonna use different type of letters or words, letters, handwriting. For the fresh farm, it's in a handprint, I think that's the word. And this one is calligraphy, some sort. But I'm using 2 different type of letters because I think that looks more farmhouse. And I just love that style right now. And I'm finishing my letters. After that, I'm gonna repeat the lemon pattern and that will be it. Now we're gonna take our 19 by 19 and one of our smaller pieces, and we're gonna sew them together. You can pin them down, but I just don't use pins. I don't know why. And for me it's just easier that way, but you can pin them down. And you continue sewing. You're gonna leave half an inch. You're gonna sew half an inch to the inside of your fabric. And just like that, you sew that first part like so. Yeah, pun intended. And you finish that one, and now you're gonna add, as you can see, I'm showing you. And now we're gonna add the second layer to the bottom part of our pillow by doing the exact same thing. You just secure your stitches by going backwards and sew that again like that. And when you finish, and now we take it and we're gonna cut those ends, all of them, because that helps when you're just flipping it to the right side to get the pointy corners really nicely. I'm gonna show you how that looks. Look at that. When you just push them in, they get really pointy, and that's the look that we're looking for. And now you're gonna get that really straight like that. My grandma showed me that trick. And this is how they turned out. As you can see, we have our farm fresh pillow, we have a blue one over here, and a lemon over here, lemon one. I just want to take this opportunity to thank my beautiful friend Mom from MomDas Life Handmade for making this open collaboration. I just love to sew. My grandma teach me how to, and as soon as I learned how to sew, I couldn't stop. Every time I need something, from a pillowcase to curtains to something like that, I will make it because I usually cannot find what I want in stores. And I prefer to make them than to buy them because they will adjust to my decor. Like right now, I couldn't find anything made out of lemons, not even a fabric, and I decided I could make that using acrylic paint. And this is how they look. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to MomDas channel and also to her video so you can see the beautiful projects she came up with. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.